In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on email tracking in HubSpot in 2025, a handy tool that's perfect for users of Gmail and Outlook. Now, before we dive into the step-by-step process, there are a few essentials you need to have in place. First off, make sure your inbox, whether you're using Gmail, Outlook, or Office 365, is connected to HubSpot. Also, it's important to either have a Sales Hub seat, which is available from the starter level onwards, or have the free sales extension installed directly into your Gmail or Outlook. Another key aspect to keep in mind is permission levels. Admins have the ability to set default tracking options for all users, which can be quite convenient. Lastly, remember that email tracking only works if there's a legal basis for processing contact information. So if you notice the track option is disabled, that might be why. Let's get started with the first step, which involves connecting and installing the necessary HubSpot extension or add-in. If you're a Gmail user, you'll need to install the HubSpot Sales Chrome extension. For those using Outlook, it varies slightly depending on your setup. If you're on Office 365, the new Outlook, or using a Mac, you'll want the HubSpot Sales Office 365 add-in. Meanwhile, if you're using the classic Outlook on a Windows computer, go for the HubSpot Sales Desktop add-in and use the setup.exe installer to get it going. Now that we've got the extensions sorted out, let's move on to setting default tracking options, which is something typically handled by an admin or manager. Head over to your HubSpot settings, then navigate to Objects, followed by Activities, and make your way to the Email Log and Track tab. Here, you'll want to enable a couple of important options. Check the box that allows all users to track emails, and let's not forget to apply the default track setting, so tracking is toggled on by default. This makes it much easier to ensure that email opens and clicks are monitored right from the get-go. With the groundwork laid out, it's time to track emails as you send them. When you're ready to compose a new email in Gmail or Outlook, open the HubSpot sidebar or task pane, which you can do by clicking on the sprocket icon. You'll see an option to tick Track. Make sure this is selected to track opens and clicks. There's also the Log option if you want to save a copy of your email directly in HubSpot CRM. After you've done that, simply click Send to get your email on its way. Finally, let's talk about seeing the results of your email tracking efforts. You'll get a real-time pop-up notification whenever your contact opens the email, providing immediate feedback. Back in HubSpot, take a look at the contact record where you'll see your email activities marked as sent and then opened as your recipient engages. Here, you can click through to see detailed information about when and how often your email is opened or clicked. And there you have it. Following these steps will ensure your email tracking is live and ready to provide valuable insights into your communications. Happy tracking!